Welcome to the topic Dictionary Data Type. After completing this topic, you will be able to create a dictionary object, access contents of dictionary object, perform operations on dictionary objects. Hi, I am just back from a game of cricket with friends. I love sports, I love to keep track of the sports trivia. Did you know that in the latest ICC Test Team rankings, India has 125 rating points? Let me show you how you can use the dictionary data in Python to organize such data. Like lists or tuples, dictionary is also a collection data type. However, it is not a sequence. It is an unordered collection of items. Each item is a key value pair. For example, India is the key and 125 is the value. In the dictionary object, the value is bound to the key by the colon symbol. One or more key value pairs separated by comma are put inside curly brackets to form a dictionary object. A dictionary can contain other data types. Look at this one. It has lists as the values in the key value pairs. Or, in this dictionary object, the keys are tuples. But remember, the key should be an immutable object. So, a number, string or tuple can be used as a key but not a list. One more thing, a key cannot appear more than once in one dictionary. If a key appears more than once, then only the last one will be retained. The value, however, can be of any data type. One value can be assigned to more than one key. Remember how the items in a list or tuple have an index number? Well, items in the dictionary don't have it. That's because it is not an ordered collection. So, how do we access items in a dictionary? Simple. Using the key with the get method. Let's say we have a dictionary called capitals with countries as the keys and their capitals as the values. To fetch the value associated with key France, we use the syntax capitals.get and within parentheses and quotes France. Look at another example called mobiles. To fetch the value associated with Nokia 7, we can use the get function as shown here. Now, let's say we want to modify one of the values in the dictionary. Maybe change the points for India from 125 to 130. We simply use the same key India and assign the new value to it using the syntax displayed. You can also specify a new key and assign a value to it. It will get added to the dictionary. Now you know about the dictionary object. I hope you will practice the syntax for creating, accessing and modifying it. And if you are wondering how many runs I made in the match today, let's just say that you would need only a single digit integer to store the value.